Noise pollution. We hear good and bad sounds all around us. Good sounds are children laughing or music playing. Bad sounds are noisy trucks and factories. When the noise level is too loud, higher than 85 decibels, unpleasant and excessive, it becomes noise pollution. Today, our homes are built close to each other and close to the noise of industries, mining, and motorways. People are playing loud music or using loud headphones. Noise pollution hurts or damages our ears and disrupts our daily routine. It causes stress, sleep disturbances, and headaches.
We can protect ourselves from noise pollution by turning down the volume of headphone music,
Wearing earplugs when we are in a noisy place, and by knowing when the noise is damaging.
Need more help? Shop our books around the clock and subscribe to our channel to stay ahead.